Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore a word that's sweet, fun, and full of love. What does POOKIE really mean? Let's find out together. Where does POOKIE come from? The truth is, no one knows for sure. It might have started as baby talk, or maybe as a cute family nickname. But one thing is certain, it's been spreading smiles for years. People in English-speaking countries began using POOKIE as a warm, loving nickname. It appeared in families, between friends, and in the sweetest moments of everyday life. Why does POOKIE sound so cute? It's all about the repeating sounds, POOKIE. These soft, playful sounds make it easy to say and even easier to love. POOKIE has many meanings. It can be a friendly nickname, a term of endearment, a silly name between friends, or even a pet's adorable name. It's truly versatile. In relationships, POOKIE is pure magic. Couples use it to show love and affection. It's warm, personal, and makes hearts flutter. When someone calls you POOKIE, you know you are special. But POOKIE isn't just for couples. Parents lovingly call their children POOKIE. Friends use it to be playful and show they care. It's a word that brings people closer. Sometimes, POOKIE can be funny too. Friends might tease each other with it, or use it as a joke name in groups. It adds laughter and lightness to any conversation. While POOKIE is mostly used in English, many cultures have their own versions of cute nicknames. Love speaks every language, and POOKIE is just one beautiful way to express it. POOKIE has made its way into movies. Characters with this nickname bring warmth and charm to the big screen. It's a name that makes scenes memorable and hearts happy. Television shows love POOKIE too. When characters use this nickname, it adds sweetness and fun. It helps us connect with the people on screen. Even musicians use POOKIE in their songs. Artists express love, joy, and playfulness through this simple word. Music and POOKIE together? Pure harmony. On social media, POOKIE is everywhere. From hashtags to memes, people share their cutest POOKIE moments online. It's a word that brings the internet together with smiles. Even celebrities use POOKIE. Famous people call their loved ones by this sweet name. It shows that no matter who you are, everyone loves a good nickname. Let's practice. POOKIE is pronounced POOKIE. Say it with a soft, sweet voice. Feel how gentle and loving it sounds? That's the magic of POOKIE. There are fun variations too. You can say Pook, Pooksy, Pookums, or even Pookster. Each one adds its own special flavor of cuteness. Remember, POOKIE is for special people and casual moments. Don't use it in formal situations or with strangers. Save it for those who make your heart smile. When someone calls you POOKIE, how does it feel? Warm. Loved. Special. It brings happiness and makes you feel like you truly matter. That's the power of a simple word. POOKIE has friends. Words like a sweetie, honey, baby, and snugglebug share the same loving energy. They all remind us that kindness lives in the little things. Did you know? POOKIE appears in children's books, cartoons, songs, and poems. It's a word that's woven into our culture, bringing joy wherever it goes. In text messages, POOKIE shines. Good morning, POOKIE. Have a great day, or miss you, POOKIE. These simple messages can brighten someone's entire day. Every language has its own version of POOKIE. From cherry in French to cariño in Spanish, love finds a way to express itself beautifully around the world. Why do people love POOKIE? Because it makes relationships feel closer. It brings playfulness and joy into our lives. It's a reminder that love doesn't need big words, just sincere ones. Artists and writers have been inspired by POOKIE too. From paintings to poetry, this little word has sparked creativity and touched hearts through the ages. Want to create your own nickname like POOKIE? Use sounds you love, make it easy to say, and most importantly, make it personal and fun. Let your creativity shine. Sometimes, POOKIE goes viral. Videos and stories featuring this sweet word spread across the internet, reminding us all of the power of love and connection. If someone calls you POOKIE, smile and say thank you. You can use it back if you like. Be kind, be playful, and enjoy the moment. So, what does POOKIE mean? It's a cute nickname with many meanings. It's used for love and fun. It's popular in pop culture and in our daily lives. It's simple, yet powerful. POOKIE is special because it's a small word with a big heart. It reminds us that the simplest expressions of love can mean the most. Thank you so much for learning about POOKIE with me today. I hope this brought a smile to your face. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. Now I want to hear from you. What does POOKIE mean to you? Share your stories in the comments below. Let's keep spreading kindness, one POOKIE at a time. See you next time.